None. Suggestion, none. Your heart's got its own rhythm, just like your favorite song. When doctors listen to your heartbeat, they're tuning into two main sounds, lub and dub. These sounds are made by your heart valves closing. The lub happens when the valves between your heart's upper and lower chambers shut tight. The dub follows when the valves leading out of the heart close. It's like a 1-2 punch that keeps blood moving. But wait, there's more. Doctors can tell a lot from these sounds. A strong and steady beat means your heart's in good shape. Irregular sounds or murmurs might need a closer look. They're like your heart's way of sending an SOS. So next time you feel your heartbeat, remember, it's more than just a thump-thump. It's your heart's way of keeping you alive and well. Keep listening and stay heart smart. Catch you later, heart heroes.